नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपको 646 वर्ड की लीगल डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूं, जिसकी स्पीड होगी 90 टू 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ एक बार चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर दें, साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें। अब आप सब रेडी हो जाएं। स्टार्ट। द एफोर्सेड स्कीम ऑफ द एक्ट, particularly the setting of different subsections in section 13 very forcefully indicate that the certificate of the director of the Central Food Laboratory can be brought in evidence only in the post-institutional stage of a case, whereas the report of the public analyst can be obtained during pre-institution stage of the prosecution. Full stop. There is no scope for countenancing a situation when prosecution proceedings can be instituted with the certificate of the director of the Central Food Laboratory. Full stop. What was in evidence in the form of report of the public analyst stands substituted, during the evidence stage, by the certificate of the director of Central Food Laboratory. Full stop. In other words, after evidence stage is commenced, a new document would take the place of an existing material already admitted in evidence. Full stop. Thereafter, no legal provision required the case to be switched back to the pre-institution stage. Full stop. Paragraph. That apart, what is the need for obtaining a fresh consent when the certificate of the director of the Central Food Laboratory has reached the court? Sri Romi Chako, learned counsel, contended that the authority consenting prosecution must apply his mind to the facts of the case for satisfying himself that the facts warrants a prosecution and a prima facie case exists against the alleged offender. Full stop. Learned counsel relied on the decisions in the state of Bombay versus Parsottam Kanhaiyalal, AIR 1961 SC1 and AK Roy and another versus state of Punjab and others, 1986 under bracket 3 bracket close FAC 66. Full stop. The purpose of insisting that the consenting authority should seriously apply his mind before according consent for launching prosecution, is to prevent unnecessary of frivolous prosecution at the instance of any complainant against traders in food articles. Full stop. But once prosecution is instituted validly, the matter is in the hands of the judicial functionary and further proceedings can be controlled by such functionary. Full stop. The authority granting consent for institution of prosecution is in no way more suited for preventing unnecessary prosecution than judicial functionaries. Full stop. Therefore, a switch back to the pre-institution stage is unnecessary and hence unwarranted. Full stop. Paragraph. Different high courts have taken two different views on the above legal proposition. Full stop. We may first refer to the decision rendered by a division bench of the Gujarat High Court in state of Gujarat versus Ambalal Maganlal, 1978 under bracket 2 bracket close FSC 53. Full stop. That case happened to be referred to a division bench as Ahmadi, judge under bracket as the learned Chief Justice then was bracket close doubted the correctness of a decision rendered by another single judge of the Gujarat High Court who had upheld the acquittal of an accused on the ground that the certificate issued by the director of Central Food Laboratory indicated deficiency in milk solid non-fat as against the report of the public analyst which indicated deficiency only in milk fat, and that sanction for prosecution was accorded only on the strength of the report of the public analyst, full stop. Upon the reference being made by Ahmadi, judge, a division bench of the Gujarat High Court, after considering various aspects of the matter, held that once the written consent to prosecution is given by any of the four competent authorities, the institution of prosecution should be regarded as if it is by that authority. No further question as regards the validity of written consent as a result of subsequent event would arise in such a case, where cognizance of offence is taken by the court, full stop. The reasoning of the division bench is that the consent once given, cannot become invalid merely because the evidence by which the offence is sought to be proved changes as a result of subsequent events, full stop. Learned judges observed that the offence being one and the same, another written consent because of difference of opinion between the public analyst and the director of the Central Food Laboratory, cannot be insisted upon before proceeding with the trial of such a case, full stop. Thank you so much.